everything, my love, because a lot of women fall in love with me. But please never too much, I'm scared you might lose your mind. To be really honest with you, my love, I'm not a cheater who is like your ex. What you had in me you will not find again. Be a good person, 'cause I have been good. This is my request for you. If you want me to be loyal, you can always have everything. Go your own way. But if you don't want to listen to me, let us talk about something else. We are just friends. There's nothing between us, just as usual.